This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Wendy Musselman. This lovely split foyer is situated on over 1 acre with just 3 restrictions. There is a brand new roof, new carpet, fresh paint and newer appliances, and the owner is in the process of installing a brand new water treatment system. The 2 bedrooms on the main level are spacious. Downstairs there is a large, light-filled space that the owners used as their main bedroom with 2 closets. The lower level is also plumbed for another bathroom with room left over for even more future living area. Enjoy a huge yard and gorgeous views from the deck. This home comes with a 1-year home warranty for your peace of mind. Take a look today. For more information, review the details below or contact Wendy Musselman at 304-263